Hi, this is MHS Football 28, and I have another unboxing video for you. Uh, I was thinking about getting into crawlers, and I've had about three. I've had the Axial Axe 10 Scorpion crawler, and it was pretty decent. I liked it. Actually, it was very good. Um, I was very happy with that. And then I got into short course racing, so I got the 4x4s. And then I had a low C Nightcrawler, and that did extremely well. That one did a lot better than the Axe 10. I sold those, so I wanted to get back into it. And I was like, you know what? I think scaling is the way to go. So, well, I got a scale car that goes decently fast. Can you guess what it is? Maybe the title will help you. The Wraith. Yep, this is the Wraith. This is the really bad to the bone 10 scale forward drive rock racer. I'm really happy to get this. I just bought this like 10 minutes ago at Hobby People Lake Forest. It was three, no, it's 400 out the door. Yeah, it's pretty pricey, but actually it was like 380 out the door. I bought some RPM parts for my Slash because I broke that. Um, let's get to unboxing it. Okay. There is top of the box. Scissors. Okay. Let's get that in there. Come on, get in there. Okay. This is everybody knows it's a four-wheel drive. It comes with a 20-turn motor. It comes with let me read it to you first. 2.4 gigahertz. Has an AS-2 servo. It's 118 ounces of torque. It's pretty decent for stock. 20-turn 540 size motor, so not the biggest motor, not the fastest, but it's got some torque. And it comes with the 7.2. Well, it comes with a battery. Oh wait, no, it doesn't. Does not come with a battery. Okay, that's something to know. Does not come with batteries for the controller. It does not come with a battery, and does not come with the charger, obviously. Okay, well, It's 2.4 gigahertz. I said that. Oh, more. One more. That should be it. Oh no, one more. Dang it. Okay, box is open. Finally, scissors suck. Okay. Usually there's styrofoam right here. Just another piece of. Oh, okay. I know what I'm doing now. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. Get out. Oh my goodness, this thing is huge. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Now that is cool. I am impressed. That is really nice. Look at those massive tires. These things feel really grippy right now. Look at this. That's just pulling straight back over it. I can feel the grip. And these are breathable tires. These tires are massive. Okay. Well, let me get this off. Let me try to get this thing off here. I'm amazed. The thing is huge. It's got a steering wheel. It's pretty funny. Got some like little shifters. This thing is really scale. I'm happy. And on mine, there's a couple scratches right on top, right here. I don't know if that's packaging damage. Probably can't see it just because this camera sucks. But right here, there's a scrape. And right there in this area. Oh wait, it's just a plastic covering. Never mind. No scratches. Never mind. Disregard that. 2.4 gigahertz little tiny channel thing. I can tuck that back in because it's 2.4. I'm gonna keep it out just because I like the RC look. And oh, it's got zip ties. Sucky scissors. Okay, this truck should just got mine out. Oh wow, this truck is really heavy. Okay, so butt of the truck. So it's got a lot of suspension trouble. That's what was connecting it. I'm guessing you can replace this with other panels. I don't know, I kind of like the look. I do not like this front one. This front one, it's I don't know, a big old race stick that doesn't make it look scale at all. Okay, well, people, I watched a bunch of videos before I bought this, and look at that. I guess this little plastic piece right here, I don't know what it's called, but really loose. And a bunch of people are saying, oh, it sucks, it sucks, it sucks. It's a bad car, don't get it because of this. It's got a lot of plastic. And really, all what Axial is just trying to do is save your servo. Alright, it's a rock racer, so, I mean, you're gonna go pretty fast through, look at that, pretty fast through, rocks. And you bump into this, and then, yeah, just save your servo. An AS2 servo, seems pretty good. I have a super nice Associated XP servo. This might go in there. Was gonna go in my slash forward 4, but I think this deserves it. So it does come with Tamiya plugs. It's or standard, or I don't know what people call it these days. But they are Tamiya, and I don't like Tamiya. I don't. They overheat. Like the actual plug overheats itself. So it does have room for a 6-cell, not a 7-cell. I don't think. I really don't think this has room for little battery mounts right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me undo them. Seems like it's pretty open, like you could pretty much do anything to this thing. You can add stuff to it. You can move the shocks forward or back. A lot of adjustment. Before I show you that, alright, right there, there's little shock adjustments, and you can see them right in their little holes. So, I don't know, I'm gonna have to test them out on each one. And, that's gotta be 2 inches of travel at least. People, you see them do, like, go like this, back up real quick. I don't know. And then there's the front little bumper. It's actually pretty sturdy. Okay, now I'm gonna watch the ground. Watch this. Okay, over the edge. Now let's see it drop. So it dropped pretty darn good. I mean, it did not bounce. A little jiggly. It seems like how everybody is talking about it's very top heavy. I agree. I haven't really done anything with it yet, but the shocks, I think they're pretty good. They're pretty hard. Well, they come with threaded aluminum shocks. That's pretty nice. I'm gonna loosen them all the way up. So maybe that will fix the problem just a little bit. People complaining they're too hard. Why don't they just loosen them up? So I'm getting out of the stock settings. Okay, so well that's the unboxing video and first look at it and review, and I'll have some running videos coming shortly. MHS Football 28, please comment, subscribe, like the video. Okay, some more videos to come.